Stop downloading workflows from YouTube. Learn to build your own step-by-step. Comfyui already provides ready-made templates to get you started. In this series, we'll explore these templates and customize them for your needs. Before we begin, I'm assuming you already have Comfyui installed. We won't waste time on installation steps. Let's dive in. First, launch Comfyui. You can right-click to open the menu, or double-click to search for nodes. For example, try loading a checkpoint. For any task, Comfyui offers templates, text-to-image, image-to-image, upscaling, and even flux workflows. Let's start with text-to-image workflow. First run, when you first try, you might get an error, it can't find a checkpoint. Simply select any model you've installed from the drop-down and click Run. You'll get a sample image right away. It looks good even with minimal tweaks, just enter your prompt. Let's change the model to sdxl. sdxl performs well at 1024 resolution. Run it again, and you'll get another great result just by switching models. These templates are excellent starting points for new users. Now, let's try to pass upscaling. This process refines your image for more detail in the second pass. We'll use the default sample with the sdxl model. Drag both images side by side to compare. You'll see green lines indicating processing. First pass result. We get an image of a blonde woman in front of a snow-covered mountain. Zoom in on the necklace. Notice the difference. The necklace has more refined details. The corset also has more intricate details in the second pass. Even the mountains transform from a painting look to a more textured and defined appearance. About flux workflows. Expect crashes if you have less than 12 GB of VRAM. But don't worry, our next video will cover running flux on an 8GB GPU without crash. Most YouTube tutorials suggest it might work, but they often use high-end GPUs. Trust me, I've faced countless crashes. Subscribe for the next video where we'll make flux practical for low VRAM setups as low as 8 GB. Stay tuned and keep creating.